Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, load failed with error code E00, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to your games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive from Files 86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Forza Horizon 6. Right click on the Forza Horizon 6 exe, click Properties, then go into Compatibility, click disable full screen optimizations and also run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, okay, and then close this up. Now you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, go into install files. You're going to click verify integrity of game files here. And after you're done verifying the game's files, now the next thing you can try to do is you can try to run the game in offline mode first. So just go into your Steam settings here, set it to offline, and now try to play the game. Once you launch the game, you can turn your offline status to online once you're in game. So just run the game in offline mode and that should fix your issue. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.